AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about Australian dollar against US dollars. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you'll find some links so you can join the free Telegram channel here and get some free signals every now and then if you want. So join Telegram. And then check out the brokers and the prop firm here. Create a separate account with these brokers and trade with my signals in that account only. So separate account for my signals. So check out these things. Subscribe, like. Coming back to the chart here. So you can use this AUDUSD analysis for nzdusd trading as well. So I don't record separate videos for nzdusd. So just in case if you want to trade nzdusd, use the same analysis for AUDUSD, which I'm doing right now. So let's start with the weekly time frame in the top-down approach. So weekly we are up, so the trend is up in weekly, but daily, coming back to daily, we are taking a pullback. So this is your uptrend. So we have broken previous highs, as you can see, no previous highs there. So this is the new high. So this was the uptrend. Use your fib levels. In daily, we are going down. Maybe we will touch down the EMA in this week. So time will tell, okay. But surely we are taking a pullback right now. So use your fib levels from here till here, and then that will be the uptrend. So your maybe expect 68% pullback. So it should come down and then blue candle and then go again. So we'll see, the time will tell us. So we're looking for, what are we looking for? Let's see in 4 hours. So in 4 hours, I think we should go below the EMA, okay, or maybe not, okay. So we have to be very careful or watchful in this case. This is the new low. So maybe use my line here. Okay. So this is the rejection from the EMA and then a blue candle, right? So we might be going up. Okay. So this is the rejection right here. Now I will enter long if this red candle is eaten by the next blue candle and then take a profit here and then exit, okay? Because you can see this was the trend, pullback, new low. Then this red candle did not break this low, okay? So this red candle did not make a new low. And then we have a rejection from the EMA. So this probably could be a short-term long trade. Short-term means for 4 hours, okay? So if this, if this red candle is eaten by the blue candle, then only enter long and take a profit somewhere here. Otherwise, if this low is broken, then that will be the confirmation of the downtrend, but that will be too far, I guess. Okay, you'll have to wait for the red candle to break this line, this low, and then pull back and then go down after the red confirmation candle. So I think you have to keep an eye, wait and watch. But by the current setup, looks like we might go long if this candle is eaten by the next blue candle and take a profits here. I think so. Okay, so this is what I have for AUDUSD and nzdusd. So if you like what you see, subscribe, like, join Telegram, share the video, and I'll see you in my next analysis. So then take care.